Today we're doing a demonstration of installing a Kenmore Gas Dryer 91182 using a PowerXchanger XS-05 GA. First demonstrating the setup. Obviously we don't have 220 50 Hertz here in LA. We have a 220 50 Hertz generator here. Ignore the fluctuation in the frequency. That's because the meter is not accurate, but the generator is accurate, as you see. To install, it's very simple. You install the wall mounting plate. It can be done horizontally or vertically. It's preferred we do it vertically. Saves space. The PowerXchanger fits into place. There is an outlet cord that's detachable. It's attached here. So obviously normally we'd be connecting it to the 220 volt outlet here. However, in our case, we're connecting it to the generator. The indicator light comes on. We then simply connect the gas dryer into place. As you see, we have plenty of space behind the unit. Dryers have to be set approximately 6 to 7 inches away from the wall. So just simply turn it into place. And now we have an operating unit. And start